Hello guys, in this tutorial we discuss about the method overriding. In the last tutorial we discuss about the method overloading concept in a polymorphism. So you should also know method overriding. So method overriding is an example of runtime polymorphism. Why it is runtime polymorphism? Because these methods are selected at a runtime after compilation of program, because in method overriding their signature is same, so it is selected at a runtime, and in that concept inheritance is always required, means there is a need of base and you can say base and derived class, okay, parent and child class, it is required, then only you can use method overriding. So you can see the simple example. You have to create the class like base and derived like a and b, and then if suppose you are using this method function 1, you have to repeat it in the derived class, and then inside it you can put the code whatever you want. So that is what method overriding. So now here we will go in the practical session, and there we will see how you can use method overriding. Here I am in the Python editor, and I will take a base class here, and my base class is a, and then we have to use here method, and our method is we are using function 1, and as of now I will not take any parameter, and then we have to use one sample code here. So I am putting the message, and our message is simply class A. So that's it, and then I will just copy this code for saving my time, and then this will be my next class B. So here I will write the name B, and in bracket I have to use A. So it means that A is a base and B is a derived class which will take the data from A. And then here, as we are using method overriding, this same method we have to use here, but you can put different code according to you. So I will take the name B, and then for executing this you can go for the object. So our object is A, so that's why I'm taking a class A, and then you have to write A dot function 1, okay. So A dot function 1, and same way you have to take a object of B for class B itself, and this is what the object B, and then you have to write B dot function 1. So here we have created two objects A and B which will represent A and B, and we are executing same function, so we have the output A and B, because this object belong to class A, so it will run this, and this object belong to B, so it will execute this B part. So we will run the code and we will check the output. So you see output is coming A and B. So here we don't have parameter, but suppose I am taking one parameter here, suppose I write here one more parameter, and so there also I will be use one more parameter, because they are same function name, same number of data types and argument. That is what the method overriding. And here I will pass one value 4. So now we will check output. You see it will run with the output A and B. Got it? So in this way you can use the parameter. So now I hope you understood method overriding. So method overriding means they have the same name, same data type, same number of argument, but only the classes are different, and we must have the inheritance. Means this same method name must be overridden or must be reused in the derived class with the same signature, okay. Only their coding will be different. So, and we use their base and derived class with the same function name, with the same signature, that you keep in mind, and execution will be done by using this concept. So I hope, dear student, you understood method overriding. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.